What's up, family? We're back, man. This is day 24 on this fix and flip renovation project, and I just want to give you guys a walkthrough. We did run into some issues, and we're going to address those issues, and we got to get it done as quick as possible because this weekend should be our final walkthrough, all right, before we request our final draw. So let's go check it out. First, before we get started, man, look, make sure if you like this video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. So what we have here, we had to make a quick run to drop off this, right? Was waiting on our bathroom vanities, which they finally came in. Originally it came in, but it was broken. So I sent it back, canceled, and I ordered another one from. This one actually came from Amazon, and it's a better fit because the space that it's going into, it's a 70-inch space. It's 66 inches plus this right here gonna give us 60. I think it's 68 inches. So we'll have an inch on each side. So I'll show you the space, and then we already had our guest bathroom vanity that came in. All right, we got our new AC unit, which was installed yesterday, inside and outside. All right, so we have our new AC unit that was installed yesterday, inside and outside. All right, let's see what we got. So now let's look at the progress. We have our Nest thermostat. This is our paint in progress. Check it out. So we went with, it's a light type gray. Of course, we got our white ceilings. Let me show you the kitchen. Kitchen. So of course our countertops are now installed. Top cabinets are good. We got our appliances in. So when we was installing this refrigerator, we found on the faucet, of course, you know, it was repiped. One of the faucet for the refrigerator, the knob. Huh? The music? No, you good. So the faucet, when you turn on, is leaking. So the plumber's gonna come in and install everything this weekend. So I've already notified him about that, so he can change out that faucet before he come. When we was installing this, right, we got the wrong plug. We got a four prong cord for the range, and we need a 3-prong, so we're gonna change that out, get that corrected. Here we are with the sink, all right, in the kitchen. So of course we tiled all that stuff out, which everything came out looking good. We had one issue out here on the back, which we've now addressed, and this is where we really have our biggest issue that we're gonna have addressed this evening. So when the countertops guys came out here to install this countertop, it was supposed to be a full countertop all the way across, but this is what they left us. So when they sent me a picture, they just sent me a picture of the corner, and I'm like, send me the picture of the whole back, because that's not you know, all that I want to see. I want to see everything that's been installed. So they'll be coming out and replacing that. They'll be coming out and replacing that counter. It's going to go all the way around, all the way across. So the issue we have now is that because when we changed this cabinet, it was a top cabinet at first, right? It was a 42-inch top cabinet, so it didn't come out as far. It only came out 12 inches. So now we have a cabinet that comes out 2 feet, which it's a heavy countertop. It's like a 3,000-pound countertop now. And so with that being said, we can't use a bracket, right? We're gonna need full support. So I'm having a bracket made, right? I'm having a bracket made that's gonna be on this end. And then we're gonna have the tile guys gonna come back tomorrow, and they're gonna tile it so it'll match aesthetically. But we need that support before the countertop guys come on Saturday to install our full countertop for the exterior. So that's one of the main issues that we've caught and found and able to address, so it don't slow us up. Going back here, you know, they're making much progress. Now they moved our finish date up from Monday or Tuesday to now Saturday or Sunday for the paint guys. So they're making a lot of progress. So this is the area that double sink vanity is going to go, right? It's 68 inches. This area is actually 70 inches. And so on the corners, they're going to paint these boards. We had these boards installed so you can't see that open, since it's going to be like an inch. I think it's like 2 inches on each side that you'll see on the side of the cabinets. But of course, the countertops are going to be on top. The countertops are going to go over an inch further, so it really won't be visible. So we're just going to paint that sort of match. But that's what we'll have behind the vanity, so that'll be corrected. Again, our toilets and everything will be installed once this weekend. So this is our progress, man. The ceilings and everything looking really good. And you know what I did notice while we was here? I noticed that the house next door is in pre-foreclosure. So we're gonna be looking at seeing if we can acquire that home next door as well. It's a 4-3 and it's right there. I want that house. It's in a cul-de-sac as well. You actually got the water view from that house. So this door, all right, this door, which one we had issues with, we finally got it fixed. With that, they had to cut a patch in the wall right here. And of course, we had to take the frame off in order to get it. But as you can see, you got new tracks. All right, got new tracks, and it actually closes all the way. So we're making way. So again, my next walkthrough is going to be on Sunday, I believe. And that should be part of our final walkthrough, to be installing all of our doors back and changing our door handles, changing the hinges on the door, black aesthetically. But this is it. And Sunday, I'll be requesting our final draw on Sunday. Let me tell you, so when you're flipping a house, right, everybody been saying that it's crazy. Again, this is my first time flipping a house using hard money. We normally only use our money, which we never have any issues with, you know, funding or timing of things. But when we're already starting the refinance process. And what issue we run into with the refinance process is a lot of lenders, which of course I know this as well, but a lot of lenders only want they want you to have the property for like 90 days, right? At least 90 days, which is 3 months. We've only had the property for 3.5 weeks. So I found a lender that we can go with. We won't be able to do a cash out refi on this one because the timeline, they want us to at least have it 6 months to do a cash out refi, and also because of the value in which we got it for, and which we would cash out refi that. So that won't be an issue, since we decided to hold on to it and not sell it. So we're looking at other options of what we're going to do to be able to pull our equity out of this property and keep it moving. But needless to say, this is our day 27 update, man. Again, I think I mentioned about the faucet leaking, but again, when you get your appliances and all this stuff, you want to test everything out. Again, with the range, we had a 4-prong that came with the range. We got to take that back, get a 3-prong. And so this is why you got to test everything out prior to. Once stuff come in, you got to try to test it out so you don't have any issues. So when people come out to install it, all right, you can sort of fast pace them along. So your goal is to try to fix problems before your workers actually come out and do it, so it doesn't slow them up or slow down the job. Because if all my workers are coming 2.5 to 3 hours from Orlando to Punta Gorda, they can't take a blank trip. All right. Luckily enough, there was a baseboard that we had issues with that they installed that had some damage. So the flooring guys are coming back out to fix the baseboard, and I'm gonna have them to install tile on our frame that we're gonna have installed this evening. All right. So look, man, we're making progress. Again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, man. I'm Emmett Combs, your broker, investor, short-term rental specialist. And we're in the mix. Fix and flip.